Hello everybody, welcome to Playful Learning with me, Miss Anna. Alright, now we are going to continue to learn about the phonics sound. Okay, and this time we are going to discuss to learn about the new sound of two letters. Okay, let's check what are the letters. Do you still remember what letter is this? Yes, very good. Letter O. Okay, how about the sound? O, 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 O. Okay, how about this? What letter is this? Yes, letter A. How about the sound? A. Good job. And you know what? If these two letters we combine, it will make one sound. Okay, do you know what sound? Yes, O, O, O. Okay, can you say together with me? Yes, O, O, O. Okay, now let's say one more time together, okay, with the movement like you put your hand in front of your mouth like O, O, O. Okay, let's say together. O, O, O. Very good. Alright, now let's see the pictures that have the O sound. Okay, let's check this. This is an animal, and this the name of the animal. This animal has the O sound on it, and the sound of this animal is like ba ba. Do you know what animal is that? Yes, you're right. It's a goat. Goat. Okay, and then this is the thing that we wear when it's cold. It's kind of clothes. Okay, we wear it when it's cold. What is that? Do you know? With the O sound? Yes, very good. A coat. Coat. All right. And then this is a vehicle, and this is the vehicle in the water. Okay, and this vehicle has the O sound on it. Do you know what is the name of this vehicle? Yes, you're right. It's a boat. Good job. And I have one more. This is another animal. This is the baby. The baby animal, the baby of the frog. Rabbit, rabbit, rabbit. Yes. Do you know what we call the baby of the frog? With the O sound. Good job. It's a toad. Yay! Very good, everyone. Yes, so now it's time for riddle.
It's time for riddle. Hi friends, it's me, BL. Are you ready to play? Okay, this is a vehicle on the water, and it has O sound. What it could be? Yes, you're right, friends. It's a boat. Yay, we did it, friends. Yes. Good job, friends. Good job, friends. Good job, good job, good job, friends. Alright, friends. See you in the next riddle. Bye-bye.
Alright, now let's review about the phonics sound that we learned. Okay, what is the sound? Good job. O, O. Okay, and then this sound consists of how many letters? Yes, two letters. And what are they? Good. Letter O and A. So now can you please point where is the letter O? Good job. This is the letter O. How about the letter A? Very good. That's the letter A. Okay, good job. And now let's check one more time the pictures that have letter O on it. Okay, the pictures that have sound O. Okay, let's check one by one. We start with this picture. What picture is this? Very good. Goat. Yes, a goat. Okay, next, how about this? Good job. It's coat. Say it together. Coat. Very good. How about the next one? Yes, it's a boat. Okay, let's say it together one more time. Boat. Very good. And the last one is the toad. Yes, together please. Toad. Yeah, very good everyone. Alright, now we are going to play, okay? We will have the pictures, letter will be appear, and when this picture has the O sound on it, we have to do the jumping jack. Do you know how to do jumping jack? Yes, jumping jack. Okay, but if the pictures there is no O sound, then we don't need to do the jumping jack. Okay, got it? Alright, very good everyone. Now are you ready to play? Yes, we are. Alright, let's play. Let's check this picture, the first picture. Oh, it's a pie. Yummy pie. So what do you think? Do we need to do the jumping jack? No. Alright, next let's check the next picture. What is that? Yeah, it's a goat. So what do we need to do? Yes, we have to do the jumping jack and then say goat. Okay, ready? Let's do it. Goat, goat, goat. Yeah, very good. Alright, now let's check the next picture. What picture is this? Very good. It's a coat. Coat for us to wear when it's cold, right? So what do we need to do? Do you need to do the jumping jack? Yes, you're right. Let's do it together. And don't forget to say coat, okay? Set, go. Coat, coat, coat. Yeah, very good. And now, let's check the next picture. What picture is this? Yeah, it's the rain. Rain. Can you hear the O sound? No. So, do we need to do the jumping jack? Nope. Okay, very good. And we have the last picture here. Let's check. What picture is this? Yeah, it's the baby frog, the toad. Can you hear the O sound? Yes, toad. Alright, so what do we need to do? Exactly, we need to do the jumping jack. Let's do it together and say toad, okay? Ready, steady, go! Toad, toad, toad. Yay! Very good everyone! Good job! Alright, so that's all and I'll see you in the next video. Okay, thank you for watching and bye-bye!